All right, I'm going to be honest. Things aren't looking good for gas prices, okay? It's just not. And I'm not saying it's going to be some terrible thing, but gas prices aren't going to be falling. That's not a thing. You could see some dips short term. There's a lot going on. Let's start to unpack it. So, first of all, drill baby drill, oil production growth in the United States for 2025. Back in August, the EIA was saying 500,000 barrel a day increase in production, which isn't fantastic, but it's not bad at all. It's about average. I said, no way. I said, no way. That's never going to happen. I've been telling you guys for a long time, production is going to be flat in 2025 in the United States. It's not going to increase very much. And now everyone is falling in line and agreeing. OPEC downgrades 2025 forecast for U.S. oil. They're talking about oil production increases. Energy executives see Permian oil production growth slowing. Enverus Intelligence Research, 2025 Global Energy Outlook, only 120,000 barrel a day increase in production in the United States in 2025. If that turns out to be true, it'll be the third worst year for growth since the 2016 crash. Daily rig rates have been declining for a while, and that accelerated in December to over 6% drop in rig rate. And a rig rate is what an oil company pays every day for a drilling rig, basically. And this is because we're only at 74% utilization. 26% of our rigs are parked. Yeah. The Lyondell refinery in Houston has completed its shutdown, so it is off grid. That puts upward pressure on gas prices. Let's not forget the Phillips 66 refinery in the Los Angeles area is closing supposedly by the end of this year. And Valero says all options are on the table for two of their refineries in California. Listen, if California loses these Valero refineries, and let me be crystal clear, I think they maybe lose one at the most. I don't think they lose both, but we'll see. They may just be sold, so they may remain open. But if they lose these along with that Phillips 66 refinery, gas prices are just, God, y'all are just so fucked in California. Y'all are just so fucked. Nobody wants to operate in your state. Nobody wants to operate in your state. Why are the refiners, closing? Because they're going broke. They're not making any money. Even, Gavin Newsom tell you they're price gouging you and putting billions of dollars in their pocket. Companies don't close when they're doing that, Californians. Companies don't close when they're doing that. Anyway, what does all this mean? It means not a great year for the oil and gas industry as far as growth is concerned. It's not going to be a year of decline. It'll be a decline in growth, but we won't see negative growth. We're not going to see growth in job numbers. We're going to see gas prices rise. That's what 2025 is shaping up to be right now. I gotta admit, it's really frustrating when I make a prediction and it takes everyone else so long to come out and basically say the same thing. You know what I mean? Because when I make a prediction that far out, there's nothing on the internet or there's nothing people that can go look to verify what I'm saying, because I'm just making a prediction. But this is something I've been saying for a long time. And now pretty much everyone else is saying it too. And this has all just occurred in the last, couple of weeks. So anyway, thanks.